Two of the biggest names in online life insurance, Banner Life and Haven Life, are facing off. Which one truly deserves your trust? On one side, Banner Life, a long-standing favorite for its reliability. On the other, Haven Life, the digital innovator shaking up the industry. Forget the marketing talk, let's get into what actually matters for you. We'll break things down by category, awarding points along the way so you'll know exactly which provider comes out ahead. And the winner might just surprise you. Alright, before we jump in, here's a quick roadmap of what we're gonna dig into. First up, price and value, then application experience, policy features, reputation and ratings, customer service, oh, and can't forget tech and digital tools. So yeah, we've got all the angles covered. Let's kick things off with price and value. So Banner Life, honestly, this is where they usually shine. We're talking some of the lowest term rates out there and you get a lot of coverage for your money. On the flip side, Haven Life is definitely competitive, and actually they throw in the no medical exam option for a lot of folks, which can be a lifesaver, like literally. But the catch? Haven tends to be just a tad pricier on average compared to Banner. So for budget hunters, Banner Life takes the crown. Next up, application experience. If you've ever been stuck in old-school paperwork land, you know the struggle. Banner Life does have online quote tools, but you do need to pick up the phone and expect things to move a bit slower. But Haven Life, oh man, it's 100% digital. You can breeze through everything online and some people even get an instant decision. No awkward calls, no waiting around. So if you want speed and zero hassle, Haven totally wins this round. Now let's talk policy features. Banner Life gives you flexible term lengths and the option to convert later if you want. Not bad, though they don't really have those extra riders for stuff like critical illness. Haven Life? Well, they've got the accelerated death benefit built in, which is a pretty big deal, and if you're in decent health and under 60, you might even skip the whole medical exam thing. Only catch, older applicants have fewer choices. Honestly, both bring strong options to the table, so this one's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Banner Life actually started out as government employees' life insurance all the way back in 1949. That's way more history than most, right? Moving over to reputation and ratings. Banner Life has been around forever, literally since 1949. It's got that old-school A+ rating from AM Best and super solid financials, like if you're nervous about your insurer vanishing, this is reassuring. However, their digital presence is kinda lacking. Now Haven Life is actually backed by MassMutual, which is like insurance royalty, and people rave about the service. Still, Haven's brand doesn't have quite the legacy that Banner has racked up over the decades, so Banner edges ahead on this one. Let's talk customer service. This is super important, right? Banner Life does the classic thing, a phone support line and a network of agents, but service hours are a bit tight and annoyingly there's no live chat if you like instant answers. Haven Life, on the other hand, is a bit of a show-off in this department. Live chat, email, fast responses, everything digital. If you're the kind of person who wants help right away without waiting on hold, Haven clearly has the edge here. Alright, last category, tech and digital tools. Here's where you really see the difference between old school and new school. Banner Life gives you online quotes, sure, but honestly, after that, it's a lot of paper forms and, believe it or not, still no mobile app. Now Haven Life, slick website, e-signature, instant access to your docs, and an app that makes things feel like it's 2024. If you like doing everything from your phone, Haven is the undisputed champ. Alright, if you zoom out and look at the overall scores, you see Haven pulls ahead in a couple of modern categories, but Banner Life still holds its own, especially for price and that old-school reliability. So here's how I see it. If you value tradition, rock-bottom pricing, and that legacy feeling, Banner Life is probably your pick. But if you're all about digital convenience, speed, and maybe never want to talk to an actual human on the phone, Haven Life is honestly the no-brainer here. If you got something out of this breakdown, let me know below and stick around. We've got more insurance deep dives coming your way soon.